What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, guys, the Delsol is getting a little good treatment today. The Delsol is getting its windows tinted. So 2 windows, obviously the rear, and honestly I might do the windshield. Maybe a little tint, but not too dark for the front. But definitely the car's getting tinted. This is definitely a long time coming, and there's a deal today where you can get it for like half off price. So I figured, why not go ahead and tint this car? Since I'm gonna have to tint it anyway next year, I might as well just do it now and just get it over with. But anyway, guys, I'll pick up at the camera soon. I just have to get moving because right now I'm running late and I have to drop something off and then head down there, so it's gonna be a while. So I'll pick up at the camera in a bit, guys, but stay tuned. I cannot wait to see how it's gonna look. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I have never driven this car in rain, and here I am driving it in rain, which is pretty funny. Every time I drive this car, the stops and stares that I get from this thing is crazy. Like, everybody's literally looking at this car. But I can't lie, so much fun to drive, even in the rain. So much fun, man. I love this thing so much. If there's anybody watching this and they're debating on getting an old 90s Honda, trust me, get one. They're so fun, bro. One problem though, I literally forgot to change the windshield wipers, so like right now I'm almost blind out here trying to see, but I'm definitely gonna need to stop and get some new wipers because holy, these ones are a goner. Guys, on another note, check this out. No leaks up at the top of the target top, which it usually does sometimes, but right now it isn't, which I'm super surprised about, but hey, I'm not complaining. So far, it looks like God is on our side. It looks like the rain has stopped dropping, so looks like God is helping us out, so huge shout out to him for that, because holy, I needed that. Fingers crossed that it doesn't rain again. All right, boys, we are almost there now. We're pulling up, and then we can get rid of this whole fishbowl look inside this car. But it's been super fun driving it, I'm not gonna lie. In the rain, it's pretty sketchy, not gonna lie, but fun regardless. All right, boys, so we officially made it to the tint shop. And now it's finally time to get this thing out of the fishbowl look. But look, started raining again. And now my windows are fogging up too, so it's like I'm screwed once it gets foggy. But hey, gotta do what you gotta do, right? But yeah, guys, one final look of it. I mean, it kind of looks tinted here, but I mean, going a little bit darker. So here's the last look. We'll see how it looks after it's done. And if anybody's wondering what tint shop I went to, Tint X PPF, just go to that. So right now I'm running back to my damn car because I have to bring it around the back, not the front. So yeah, guys, last time with it looking this see-through, you can still like kind of see through it. So well, boys, there it is. We'll see it in a bit. So still here, but man, the waiting game sucks, but it's gonna be worth it once it's done. But we're doing 20 at the 2 doors, the 2 side, 20% on the side windows, if that makes sense, the driver and passenger. We're doing 50% on the windshield and 5% in the rear. So can't wait to see how it's done. We still got like probably an hour and a half left, or at least an hour. So pick up at the camera soon, boys. Soon. All right, boys, it's done. Are you ready to see the tint? Boys, but here's the new tint. Looks so damn good, bro. The new tint looks absolutely insane. I'm gonna go inside because it's completely windy out here. All right, so most likely you guys can hear me from in here a lot better. But We went ahead, got the windshield done. It's about 50%. The two passenger and driver side is 20%, and then in the rear we got 5% tint. Some of you guys are probably wondering, why didn't I do 5% all around? Look, I'm not up with that, all right? I'm not doing that at all. 5% all around, nah, bro, I'm not about that life. I'm not trying to get pulled over, all right? I'm not trying to be that much of a cop magnet. And honestly, it's actually better that I didn't do 5% tint. Why? Because this car is small, it's super tiny. So from the outside, you still can't see, and it looks way darker because it's such a small space in here. So overall, it looks amazing. Like, I really love it. Huge shout out to those guys. They did an amazing job on this car, and yeah, now I don't have to worry about doing it in the future and stuff like that, so that saves me a ton of time. And the front is only like 50%, so it's not bad. You can still like see clear as day, and I'm pretty sure you'll be able to see at night just as easy as well. But I mean, I can't complain. This looks really nice, but you can see the difference, right? So now that that's out of the way, I can go ahead and bring this car back home because it is rush hour, which I've never driven this car during rush hour. So pray for me. Hopefully we don't get into any accidents. Nobody hits us or anything like that. Knock on wood. There's no wood in here, but knock on plastic, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna bring this thing back home, and then I'll give you guys like a final look of the outside, because outside it's still kind of weird to see it. So once it's back in the garage, we'll go ahead and do one more little walk around so you can at least see it a little bit clearer. The amount of traffic that we're in right now is ridiculous. I'm never driving this thing in like rush hour ever again, bro. This is crazy. We're almost back though, guys. We're almost back. The traffic kind of opened up a little bit, but hey, hopefully we make it home safe. I wish I filmed the people that's like breaking their necks looking, guys. It's so funny, but it's also like, you know, such a good feeling too when people like look at your car or breaking their neck to look at your car. I love that stuff, man. Driving this car is such a joy, and it's always good to like share it with other people and stuff. But damn, I can't wait till this thing's actually modified. It's gonna be looking so damn good, guys. Like, trust me when I say this. Anyway though, guys, I'll pick up at the camera once I'm back at home. So we still got a bit of a driving to do, so I'll pick it up later. All right, guys, we're back at home, and check it out. The car is dirty, so don't mind it, but take a look at that, guys. 50% in the front, 20% at the two side windows, and then the rear 5%. It's like pitch dark. And when you're outside in the light or in the nighttime with this thing, you cannot see anything at all. Like, from the outside you can't see nothing, but when you're inside you can see everything. Even with the 50% window tint, like, you can still see everything even at night. So it's the perfect one to go. Like, I know some people do 35 in the front, that's crazy. Like, 50% is just, you know, a good in the middle that looks really good. But there we go, that's one thing down, guys. Makes a super big difference on a car. I'm telling you guys, a window tint is a must on any car. It's a must. Like, look at that, you can't see anything in the back. 5% tint. It's so funny, when I was driving this car, every time I drive it now, so many people look, but they can't see anything. So it's like they're there like bobbing, weaving their head trying to see, but you can't see. Super cool. We are moving with progress, getting the Del Sol ready for next season. So hopefully it'll be outside for next car season. But let me know what you guys think of the window tint down below.